Mike, what influenced your choice to purchase Romi Machines?
Well, we were recommended Romi by another company that had got about half a dozen of them, and we were told that they were a very heavy machine and robust, and the after-sales service was excellent and the servicing was excellent, so that sort of persuaded us to go with Romi in the end.
And since you've purchased the machines, well, you've not just purchased one, you've got three. How have you been finding them?
Fine, yeah, we bought one first of all and then the second one, and we were so pleased with the machines that we purchased the third machine.
And what kind of work are you doing on the machines?
We do a lot of aluminium cutting, we also do stainless steel, and we do semi-hard dye material cutting on the third machine.
And in regards to the programming of the machines, how are you finding that side?
The programming is very easy, the control panels are user-friendly. We do a lot of design work on the computers before they go to the machine, so yeah, we find it very easy really.
And just to round up and summarise, what has the service and support been like from Romi?
Oh, excellent. Anything goes wrong, they're here the next day. Excellent. Couldn't fault it.